What's up, Mavericks? Everywhere you look, AI tools are popping up, from chatbots to image generators to coding assistants. But behind all of that, there's a company powering much of the data that makes AI actually work, Scale AI. Now, if you're a small business owner, you might be wondering, why should I care about some AI company behind the curtain? Well, here's the thing. Understanding what Scale AI does helps you see where AI is headed and how you can take advantage of it sooner rather than later. So in this video, we're breaking down what Scale AI is, how it works, and why it matters for your business. Scale AI is a company that helps train artificial intelligence systems. Think of AI like a student. It needs high-quality examples to learn from. Scale AI provides those examples by labeling, organizing, and feeding data into AI models. They started out focusing on industries like self-driving cars, labeling millions of images so vehicles could recognize stop signs, pedestrians, and traffic lights. But today they also work on natural language, images, video, and even military and government AI projects. The bottom line is, Scale AI is like the data supplier that makes sure AI models have the right fuel to get smarter. Here's how it works in simple terms. Businesses or governments give Scale AI massive amounts of raw data, text, images, video, or sensor data, and Scale AI's platform plus a large team of human labelers organizes that data with tags and context. That labeled data is then used to train AI models so they understand the world more accurately. For example, if you're building an AI that needs to read receipts, you can't just throw random pictures of receipts at it. Scale AI helps label every line item, the store name, the date, the total, so that AI learns how to read a receipt correctly. So why should a small business owner care about Scale AI and data labeling? Here's the bottom line. AI is only as smart as the data it's trained on. Companies like Scale AI are the ones making sure that training data is accurate, clean, and usable. Well, what does that mean for you? It means better tools that you already use. If you're using AI for marketing copy, customer support chatbots, or analytics, the accuracy of those tools depends on training data. Thanks to companies like Scale AI, these tools are improving faster and making fewer errors, which saves you time and builds trust with customers. You also get niche and industry-specific AI. Imagine you run a medical billing service, a law firm, or a construction company. General AI might not understand your industry's language or documents. Scale AI works with businesses to train models on very specific data, which means in the future, you could access AI tools that understand your exact industry workflows. Even if you don't work with Scale AI directly, understanding how AI learns helps you choose better tools. For example, if you need an AI that processes invoices or scans receipts, you want to ask your vendors, how is this AI trained? Was the data high quality? Knowing that gives you a leg up when deciding which AI platforms to trust. The reality is businesses that adopt AI early, especially when the tools are well trained, gain an advantage. Whether it's automating a task, analyzing customer data, or improving service, the businesses who lean on reliable AI will run leaner, faster, and smarter. So while Scale AI itself might not be your vendor, the ripple effect of their work is already shaping the tools on your laptop, your phone, and maybe even your point of sale system. Of course, there are limitations. Scale AI services are enterprise level, so most small businesses won't be hiring them directly. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. Bad data in, bad AI out. And while Scale AI is a leader, they're not the only company in the space, which means quality and ethics can vary depending on who's doing the labeling. For most small businesses, this means being selective with which AI tools you trust because the training data behind them really matters. Now again, realistically, most small businesses won't hire Scale AI directly. Their clients are big players like OpenAI, Meta, or government agencies. But here's the key. By understanding what Scale AI does, you get a better sense of why your favorite AI tools keep getting smarter. If you want to see what they're up to, head over to merchantmaverick.com/scale. They showcase their projects and how they're shaping the future of AI. It's definitely worth keeping an eye on because those innovations will trickle down into the tools you use every day. So the bottom line is, Scale AI is one of the companies behind the curtain making AI possible. They take raw data, clean it up, and turn it into training fuel for the models that are shaping how businesses, including yours, run today. You don't need to hire them directly, but knowing what they do helps you stay ahead of the curve and understand where AI is headed. headed. If you're curious, check out merchantmaverick.com/scale to see how they're working with data and then think about how AI tools could fit into your own business operations. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. Stay smart, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next one.